Last week we talked about 2D shapes. Remember, 2D shapes are shapes that stick flat against the page, like a square, a triangle, a circle, and a rectangle. Today we're going to talk about shapes that really pop from the page. These shapes are called 3D or three-dimensional shapes, like this cube or rectangular prism. They pop from the page. They also have characteristics like faces and vertices. But what are faces? Faces are the sides of a 3D shape. A cube has more than just 3 faces though. In fact, it has 6 square faces. Let me show you. Here's our first square or face. Here's our second square in the back. And our third square on the side. Here's our fourth square on the bottom. And our fifth square on the side. And our sixth square on top. These 6 squares make up the faces of our cube. So a cube has 6 faces, but how many vertices does it have? What are vertices? Remember, vertices are the edges or the points where 2 lines meet. So how many vertices does this cube have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. What about a rectangular prism? This is a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is like a 3D rectangle. So how many faces and vertices does a rectangular prism have? Let's talk about faces first. A rectangular prism has 6 faces. 2 of those faces are squares. 4 of those faces are rectangles. Let's take a closer look. Here's 2 of my rectangles put together. Now I'll add a square on one side and a second square on the other side. Now we add our third and fourth rectangle to the bottom and the side. So a rectangular prism has 6 faces, but how many vertices? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. So rectangular prisms and cubes each have 6 faces and 8 vertices.